So first up, we have the iconic ilambazi lamabele, our beloved sour porridge made from sorghum. This breakfast staple is a powerhouse of nutrients, providing a healthy dose of fiber and probiotics to kickstart your day. So some even add intolwane or ndoran to the dish. And it's very beneficial to children and also abadala. If you are fighting lwana moya that accumulates in the stomach, so that's the role vel of intolwane. So next on our list is mutakura, which is a delightful combination of groundnuts, maize kernels, and peanuts. Also known as inkobe or dikobe, this versatile dish can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Packed with protein, fiber, and carbohydrates, it's a satisfying and nutritious treat. So for the adventurous eaters, we have pane, which is called in the Sotho-Tswana language. These protein-rich caterpillars are a sustainable and delicious snake or meal. We call them amacimbi, madora. I really don't like using that term. I think I've said this a lot, more pane worms. So you can enjoy them with buhobe, which is this chwala, satsa, or a spicy chili sauce. The world is finally catching up on what our ancestors knew all along. Insects are a fascinating source of protein.